Surrender a little more than 48 hours from now. Cameras capturing him returning to Mar-a-Lago after playing a round of golf yesterday. Supporters outside. And in wake of the unprecedented indictment led by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, hope is fading in the fairness of our justice system. Former FBI Special Agent Nicole Parker quit over the weaponization of our justice system, what she saw at the FBI, and she joins us now. Nicole, thank you so much for being here. I know the FBI, this is a different justice system. This is the Manhattan DA. I get that. But it sure feels political, like there's an agenda at the top, which leads people to not trust it.
Right. I mean, Americans deserve an unbiased criminal justice system, whether it's on the local, state, or federal system. It shouldn't matter. Everyone deserves a fair shot at the criminal justice system. And I think what Americans are witnessing right now, regardless of your political party, I'm not here to favor any political party. I'm here to speak the truth based on my experience. And there just seemed to be a continuous pattern on all levels now. I came from the FBI and the federal system, and Americans deserve better. They deserve an unbiased criminal justice system, and right now it just doesn't appear that way.
No, I mean, the former director of the FBI, James Comey, came out and said it's a good day that the former president has been indicted. Was that his perspective when he was in charge of the entire agency? I mean, it just leads you to ask questions.
And that's the concern that a lot of people have, right? Myself as a former FBI agent, a former director, you have your First Amendment rights. You have your right to your opinions. You can speak your thoughts. But in a position of that high of a level, on the day of a president being indicted, which has never occurred in the history of the United States, at least, that we're familiar with, it just is not, it does not appear to be unbiased. It appears that it might be politically biased at times.
Absolutely right. I want to shift to another topic real quick because, our country was rocked by the shooting in Nashville and what occurred there, the heroism of cops and the depravity of that shooter and the loss of life. Oftentimes we get a glimpse into the motivations or a manifesto of a shooter, sometimes almost, not always right away, but shortly thereafter. The shooter in Nashville left a manifesto. There she is. But the FBI hasn't released it yet. Why is that?
So in this investigation, active shooters are typically going to be investigated on a local level. So in this instance, the jurisdiction would be with the Metro Nashville Police Department. The FBI is providing assistance to the police department. And from what I understand, this manifesto is being analyzed by our behavioral analysis unit out of Quantico, Virginia. We have profilers within the FBI, and they will analyze something of this nature. It does take time. They will look at the the grievances, the thought process, the patterns, the ideation, things of that nature, and it just takes some time. So when it is released, it actually won't be released by the FBI. It will be released by the Metro Nashville Police Department because it is their case and their investigation. I mean, we're just providing assistance.
I believe that, and Metro PD makes their call, but it just feels like, if the shooter had been some racist white nationalist, it'd be like, get the manifesto out right away. But if it's a transgender activist, which it may have been, we don't know for sure, then we feel like it's like, well, hold on to this. Maybe we don't release the manifesto. That's the frustrating part. I don't want to be in that place.
Yeah, I mean, no one wants to be in that place. I can't make a comment to that. I just know in my time at the FBI, it does take time for the BAU analysis to take place. So it's important that they get it done right, they get it done properly. They'll conduct the analysis. Once they're complete, they'll give a product to the local police department, and then it'll be up to them to release any manifesto.
I hope that in this case, that is the case. Nicole Parker, thanks for joining us and for your courage to speak out. We appreciate it.
Stay connected with us. Subscribe to Secret Society News official YouTube channel. Don't forget, like, comment, and share.